If you're experiencing login issues on Bitbucket, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that your caps lock is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. If you cannot remember your password, use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use srock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Check Bitbucket status. Visit the Bitbucket status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affecting your ability to log in. If there is an issue, you may need to wait until it is resolved. If you follow these steps and still cannot access your account, consider reaching out to Bitbucket support for further assistance.